I came to know about Digital Vidya through one of my friends who have done this course in offline classes. My name is Atharv. I have done my graduation in BMS marketing in 2023. After that, I chose this course, which is CDMM, and after that, I'm doing this course since 3 to 4 months. But due to some issues, this course was extended from my side. So that's the reason I'm completing this course in July. So as I said, I am specialized in marketing. That I have done my graduation in specialized marketing. So that's the reason I chose digital marketing, as it is a very growing industry, and digital marketing is in today's world the most important thing for businesses. I came to know about Digital Vidya through one of my friends who have done this course in offline classes. It was good. It was very good. The teachers, like the professors, are also very good.